first step, whenever we read the question, we need to write the data. As per this question, what is the data is given? Focal length of the objective lens, focal length of eye lens, and they both are separated by a distance of 15 centimeter, and these distance of distinction 25 centimeters, and we need to calculate for two different situations. U naught we need to calculate when image is formed at near point. U naught we need to calculate when image is formed at infinity. And we need to calculate the magnification value of compound microscope when the image is formed at near point. Magnification value we need to find out when the image is formed at infinity. So this is the data is given in the question. Next, step 2. We need to draw the diagram for the appropriate situations. Here two conditions are there. That's why we need to practice the two diagrams. We need to able to draw the two diagrams. When you draw the diagrams, then step 3, we need to apply the concept and formulas. So let me see that particular thing. We need to practice the diagram. Here first situation, when the image is formed at a near point, this diagram we need to practice a lot. Next, we need to draw this diagram when the image is formed at infinity. So here you can see that when the object is placed at focus, image will be formed at infinity. For eyepiece, you can see that object is there at focal length of the magnification. If image is formed at infinity, the magnification value is d by f. When image is formed at near point, the magnification of the lens is 1 plus d by f. Now if we need to consider that lens, so lens formula is 1 by v minus 1 by u. V stands for image distance, u stands for object distance, f stands for focal length, and we need to use the sign convention also. You can see the magnification of compound microscope ME into MO, the respective magnification values, because if the image is formed at the near point and image is formed at infinity. Now let me discuss the first situation. When the image is formed at near point, means from the eye that image is formed at the distance of 25 centimeter. Now let me calculate the answer. So what is the data given for here? The eyepiece focal length is given 6.25, and we know that image is formed at 25 centimeter. But as it is formed of the left side of the lens, the image distance you need to calculate as minus. And we need to calculate the object distance for this condition. Apply the lens formula and calculate the object distance. That you can see the arrow mark, that object distance is the image for the object lens. So what will be the image distance for the object lens? You need to subtract that UE. So therefore you can see image distance for object lens is equals to L minus object of eye lens that we calculated now. Then we got that object distance of image distance of object lens, and focal length of the object lens we know. Substituting these values in the lens formula, we can calculate the object distance and as well as the magnification value. Now second situation, if you see that image if will be formed at infinity if the object is at FE. Therefore at what distance that image should be formed? At the distance of focal length of that eye lens. That will be object distance for the eye lens. Therefore image distance for the objective piece will be L minus FE. And the focal length of the object lens we have, and from these values, by substituting these values in the lens formula, calculate the object distance for the eye lens. From there you substitute those values in the magnification formula. So this is the hint I have given to you. Just listen twice and try and substitute the values in the given formulas and calculate and send the answer to my number. Thank you.